Sweet and sour eggs is a fusion-style dish that uses ketchup as a key seasoning. Combining Chinese and Western flavors, it is quick and easy to make in a home kitchen. Prepare chopped scallions about 30 grams a half cup. Prepare minced ginger about 30 grams 2 tablespoons. Prepare minced garlic about 30 grams 2 tablespoons. Add ketchup. Add light soy sauce. Add sugar. Add white vinegar. Add minced ginger. Add chopped scallions. Add minced garlic. Add 250 milliliters of water approx. 1 cup. Add an additional 30 grams about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Add dark soy sauce. Taste the sauce now and adjust the ingredient ratios to your liking. Heat oil in a pan, add the scallions, ginger and garlic, and stir fry over low heat until fragrant. Stir the prepared sauce well, then pour it into the pan. You don't need to pour in all the sauce, add as needed, depending on your preference. Add the potato starch slurry in 3 additions, about 10 milliliters to TSP each time. Do not stir, gently swirl the pan instead. The dish is ready. Welcome to subscribe to my channel.